They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I sing you, sing you, sing you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take your hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But still you beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I sing you, sing you, sing you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, again.
Hey Katie, happy birthday! I just wanted to take a second to let you know how much I love you, and I just think you are one of the most wonderful girls in the world. I could not be prouder of you. I just love how you wake up every morning ready to take on the world with a smile on your face, and you are an amazing big sister. Your heart is so full of love and joy, and I think it's amazing to watch you every day and watch the person that you're turning into and seeing all your cool hobbies and activities that you get to go do. It's really wonderful getting to spend every day with you, and I can't wait to spend many, many more days with you, and I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the sweetest, the smartest, and the undisputed mini-mom of the household. But seriously, we love you, Katie, and Daddy hopes that you have a wonderful party and a wonderful birthday.
Happy birthday, Katie. Hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Katie. Love you.
Love you.
Happy 10th birthday, Katelyn. Now that you're 10 years old, we can finally go and hunt for trolls legally. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Katie. It brings your granny such happiness just watching the amazing person you're becoming. I hope you enjoy your next trip around the sun. And just a reminder, Granny loves you, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. Happy birthday, my sweet Katie.
Happy birthday, sweet girl. I hope you've had the best day. Happy birthday, Katie. I hope you're having the best time at your party. I love you and I miss you and I can't wait to see you soon.
Hi, Katie. I hope you're having fun at your birthday party. I hope it's the best birthday ever. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hope to see you soon. Bye, baby girl. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Katie. Just want to tell you happy birthday, girl. Love and miss you.
Hey, Katie. I just want to tell you happy birthday. I hope you have a great one.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.